Welcome back to Talk Tricks, the series where we explore smart ways to make discussions more engaging and inclusive. In episode 1, we explored World Cafe, Fishbowl, and Think, Pair, Share. Today, let's talk about 3 more amazing strategies: Town Hall, Pyramid, Inner Outer Circle. First up, the Town Hall discussion. Ideal for large groups when you want open discussion and transparency. Just like a real town hall, one person moderates while participants openly ask questions, raise concerns, or share ideas with the entire group. You get honest, collective discussions and participants feel heard. Introverts can prepare and ask questions when the moderator opens the floor. Shy ones feel safe because they know there's a moderator keeping order. Overtalkers don't get to dominate since the session is structured and time-bound. Next, pyramid method, also known as a snowball discussion. Great for gradually building group discussions. Participants start individually, then pair up, then combine into groups of 4 and then 8, and so on, like a pyramid. Ideas expand step by step until the whole group is involved. Introverts start alone, no pressure, then ease into pairs and then larger groups. Shy ones gain confidence with each stage before sharing in the big group. Overtalkers have to balance because with each stage the group grows and more voices enter. And finally, the inner outer circle. Perfect when you want active discussion and active listening at the same time. Divide participants into 2 circles: an inner circle that discusses, an outer circle that listens, takes notes, or observes. It builds empathy, listening skills, and ensures everyone gets to speak and reflect. Introverts and shy learners get time to observe first and then join when they are ready. Shy ones feel more prepared after listening. Overtalkers are forced to pause and listen when they rotate to the outer circle. So, in this episode of Talk Tricks, we looked at 3 more ways to make discussions balanced and powerful: Town Hall, Pyramid, and Inner Outer Circle. Each one ensures that introverts, shy learners, and even dominant voices get equal space. And that's what makes a discussion truly effective. But hey, I don't know all the tricks. Do you know a fun discussion method that works in your sessions? Drop it in the comments. Which of these would you love to try in your next session? Comment below. And don't miss episode 3 for even more Talk Tricks. Stay tuned.